Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I just wanted to show how to use some things in your pantry since we're not really able to get out too much to the store during this COVID-19 quarantine. I'm just showing here, I took just one chicken breast, cut it up into some small bite-sized pieces, and I'm just cooking that down. And I'm just seasoning the chicken with a little bit of garlic powder, and not too much, but just a little bit. And then I take and add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Now I had a jar of Bertolli sauce, and that's what I'm going to add to this chicken. Also some broccoli I had in the freezer, the steamables, and some large seashells pasta. Now while your chicken is still cooking, you want to go ahead and add your pasta to a pot of boiling water, and go ahead and add any kind of pasta that you have on hand. And I always take a wooden spoon and put that on the top of the pot that I'm using to boil the pasta in, and for whatever reason it just never overflows. It never boils over, so that's a good trick to use. Now go ahead and add the pasta sauce, whatever kind of pasta sauce you have, add that to your chicken and just mix it really well. Now go ahead and add whatever pasta you're using and add that to the sauce, and just add a little bit of the pasta at a time to make sure you have enough sauce to cover the pasta that you have. If you have any pasta left over, just save it, put it in the refrigerator for another meal or for a side dish. And once you have all that stirred up, go ahead and add your vegetable, which I added the broccoli that I had, and you can add whatever you want to it if you have peas or anything like that. And just add a little bit at a time to make sure it gets covered with the sauce. And that's pretty much it. I'm just trying to show you just a simple way to take some simple items that you have in your pantry to make a meal, put a quick meal together for your family. You can serve this with garlic bread if you have it, or another vegetable, but it's just something simple and easy to make. If you like this video, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. Thank y'all again, and everyone stay safe and have a blessed day.